Your customers are looking for lasting vehicle protection that's easy to maintain. Something that lasts longer than waxes and adds the highest depth of gloss. A product that will protect the clear coat because it wicks water and dirt away. What they need is a ceramic coating that's easy to apply and produces excellent results. Malco is proud to introduce the Epic Ceramic Coating System, designed for the ultimate vehicle finish. The newest addition to our Epic family of products, this specially formulated coating provides years of protection and the industry's highest gloss finish. When professionally installed, the Epic Ceramic Coating System will bond with the vehicle's clear coat to create a durable, hydrophobic surface. This coating will prevent dirt, water spots, and contaminants from adhering to paint. Each Epic Ceramic Starter Kit includes everything needed to complete one car or truck, including one bottle of Epic Ceramic Coating, Prep Wash Concentrate, Final Prep Wipe, an applicator pad, suede applicator cloths, and an ultra-soft edgeless microfiber towel. Today we're going to show you how to properly apply the Epic Ceramic Coating System onto a vehicle. Start with the Epic Ceramic Car Wash. Diluted 1 to 128, this car wash produces large quantities of hard-working suds designed to remove dirt, road film, and other common automotive soils quickly, easily, and thoroughly. Once washed, it's a great idea to clay the vehicle and remove any leftover surface debris. Next, you'll want to correct any surface imperfections with the Epic Paint Correction System. For proper installation of the ceramic coating, we recommend the Epic Paint Correction System to refine the surface before it's coated. Once you've cleaned and corrected the vehicle's surface, there's one more preparation step to take. The Epic Ceramic Final Prep Wipe will ensure there is no residue left behind and reduce static on the surface. Simply spray on and wipe clean with an ultra-soft edgeless microfiber. Malco recommends that you wipe the entire vehicle first so that you can look for any imperfections that need to be touched up. Now you're ready to apply the Epic Ceramic Coating. To get started, you'll want to wrap the white suede cloth around the applicator. Be sure to position the sponge side of the applicator so that it's down on the panel and covered by the suede. Put 4 dots of the ceramic coating directly onto the suede cloth. We're going to start with the hood of this vehicle. We recommend working a section of the vehicle to completion and then moving on to a different part of the car. We also recommend applying the ceramic coating to 20-inch by 20-inch sections. Apply the Epic Ceramic Coating in a crosshatch pattern. You'll be able to see the product transfer onto the panel. Work the ceramic coating to completion. You will begin to feel a slight resistance and hear an occasional squeaking from the applicator, which is an indicator that you've worked the product onto the surface. To finish this section, wipe down the surface with a clean, fresh, ultra-soft, edgeless microfiber to be sure there's no leftover product. You'll be able to feel the difference on the surface of the panel where the ceramic starts and stops. Now you're ready to move on to the next section. Simply repeat the application steps we've covered. While still working with a new 20-inch by 20-inch section, you want to slightly overlap your previous working space to ensure full coverage. And then use a clean ultra-soft microfiber to smooth and level the sections of ceramic together. If the suede applicator or microfiber towel gets dirty, be sure to change to a clean one. The suede cloths are intended to be used once and then thrown away. Once the Epic Ceramic Coating is fully applied, it takes 7 days to fully cure. But within 12 hours, the vehicle can be put back on the road, and after 24 hours, it can get wet. To keep the ceramic durable and looking vibrant, Malco makes the Epic Ceramic Refresher Formula. This product is simple to apply and helps to maintain the protective properties of the gloss of the ceramic coating. Simply spray Epic Ceramic Refresher onto the vehicle and work it into the surface. Then wipe clean with an ultra-soft edgeless microfiber towel. You should use the ceramic refresher at least every 6 months to ensure maximum protection and fulfill the warranty obligations.
My name is Bill Kleinis and I'm the product specialist at Malco Automotive. We hope you enjoyed seeing how Malco's new Epic ceramic coating system can be applied to vehicles. We want to close with some important points about our new ceramic system that will help you aid in your application. First and foremost, a clean working environment and vehicle surface is critical. Dirt and contaminants can not only scratch the surface, but get stuck in the ceramic coating. Once those contaminants are in the ceramic coating, the coating would have to be buffed off and the application process restarted. For proper installation of our ceramic coating product, we do recommend using the Epic Paint Correction System to refine the surface. During this installation, we use the Epic Medium Cut followed by Epic Finishing Polish to remove any scratches, marks, and swirls and to bring up the luster. At Malco, we feel it is critical to correct the surface before putting on a protective coating. Next, when you're applying the ceramic coating, be sure not to oversaturate the suede cloth. It's not harmful to the application, but it uses excess product and will slow it down. When it comes to overlapping different sections of the vehicle, do at least one pass of overlap to ensure complete coverage. Failure to overlap might leave gaps in the ceramic coating that you may not notice right away. And finally, we just want to stress that cure times, as the product cures, the surface will start to develop a slick feel. The vehicle shouldn't be driven for at least the first 12 hours. It should be kept dry for the first 24 hours, and Epic Ceramic is fully cured after 7 days. Don't forget about the Epic Ceramic Refresher. At least every 6 months, this will make sure the vehicle is protected and helps fulfill the ceramic coating's 2-year, 24,000-mile warranty.
With the Epic Ceramic Coating System, you can offer your customers lasting protection that delivers an outstanding depth of gloss. At Malco, ceramic is now epic.